Better late than never. Don't you wish your daily meetings to be automated? I mean, if once you log in, some automation takes care of the rest, like logging in and out on time with a single login when your day begins. If yes, then this video is specially made for you. Even if it's not, you can watch it. This is a complete different video from our usual videos, but rather a quick start guide to help you sort things out. And without any further ado, let's get started. First is first, let's talk about the prerequisites. You need a Google account. Make sure you that meetings are conducted through Google Meet and are pre-scheduled in Google Calendar. Check description to know how to schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. Moving on, you need a browser, Chrome or Brave running the latest version 87.0 or up, and Firefox is theoretically compatible. Lastly, a Windows operating system. I have pre-scheduled 5-minute 2 demo sessions in Google Meet before by opening the same link on new tabs in Brave because it's better than Chrome in terms of privacy. To help you understand better. Okay, now that everything's set up. Let's run the Automate by double clicking on it. Click on more info and then run away. Run anyway as it's not signatured. Now that enter your Gmail username and password, but do note that passwords are not visible and is hidden for security purposes. And then hit enter. Wait for a minute to see the automation. In case if you get an error stating value error or no such element exception, just rerun the automate. But yeah, it's rare until and unless Google changes its code in the website. As the automate says, it will join the meeting in 19 seconds from now. Let's wait. Initially, the mic and camera will be turned off. You can turn them on when needed. As a tiny feature, I have added live participants count with a few seconds delay. Sounds interesting, right? Now, chill all day long eating apple because an apple a day keeps a doctor away. Okay, now I'll end the first meeting by closing all the 4 tabs. If you divide 5 by 4, one will be your quotient and a remainder. However, we are only focusing on the quotient. Basically, if the participants count reduces to 1 by 4 the max count, then your meeting ends. Now that the first demo meeting has ended and it will now wait for the next session to start. And the same continues until your last session. This was the last session and you will be notified with a pop-up as well. Link to Automate is in the description below the like button along with the readme.md. Go ahead and check them out. If you find any bugs, just raise an issue ticket under the Issues tab on my GitHub repo. Link is in the description below. If you found this video useful, leave a like and then hit the subscribe button followed by the bell icon. Also, share this video with your friends and family, even they are attending, right? Lastly, this is Pawan and you are watching Pixing Create, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, be creative and have fun with learning.